Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quit your 9 to 5 job and start making $18,000 or more a month using affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. All right, so make sure you grab a pen and a piece of paper. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, I'm going to jump on my screen. I'm going to talk a little bit about this and show you how this works. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, all you're doing is you're selling other people's products. They can be physical or digital, right? It can be a digital course, a digital training, a digital tool, a digital software, or it can be physical. Now, I like to focus on digital because the commissions are a lot higher, right? With physical stuff, the commissions are very small. With digital, the commissions are a lot higher, between 40 and 70%. So it's easier for you to get into profit. Now, if I come to, I just Googled this, top affiliate marketing networks in the world, you can basically see that there's a whole bunch like ShareASale, Awin, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank is very popular, Flex Offers, AvantGate, right? Affiliax, Impact, for example, right? So you could just use Google when you know exactly what to look for to just do a search and you can find out more details, right? Now, one of the affiliate marketing networks that I like to use, I don't use it so much now, but I just want to show you as an example, is called Warrior Plus, okay? Now, you can sign up with Warrior Plus from anywhere in the world. You can create a free account. This is my account right here. And if you wanted to, you could come to Marketplace and you can look for different categories of products to sell in, okay? And now Warrior Plus specifically focuses on marketing education. They focus on platforms. They focus on different industries like AI, crypto, e-commerce, investing, right? And they also do software, for example, SaaS, PC, WordPress, mobile, and services as well, like coaching, graphics, SEO services, copywriting, social media, for example, right? So you can basically pick different products in different areas, like affiliate marketing is very high. They've got products in email marketing, for example, right? So let's just say we were interested in selling an email marketing course, all right? I would click into email marketing and have a look at what is available, all right? And I would kind of go through these and have a look to see which one kind of piques my interest, okay? Now, what you would do then is if any of them pique your interest, you would basically go into offers under affiliate, right? And you would look for the name. So you would type in the name of the actual offer here and you would find it. And let's just say you found it, like let's just say it was this one right here, right? YouTube Revenue Mastery, okay? You could request to basically grab an affiliate link from them to promote the offer, all right? So you would request right here. You would click on request approval, all right? And if you wanted to see the sales page of YouTube Mastery Revenue, you would click on here, view the sales page, to have a look at what the sales page looks like. And if you like the product and you think that it could be good and it's something that you might want to sell and the commissions are pretty good, then you might want to request and actually sell this product and make commissions from it, okay? Now, you can earn $9.99 from this product, but there are probably upsells in the back end which you can also make money from as well, all right? So basically how it works is I'm just going to show you my approved products. So I'm going to come here down to affiliate. I'm going to go to offers. All right, and then I'm going to come into all offers on the right and I'm going to go to approved because it takes a little bit of time for you to get the approval. Sometimes it's a few days, all right? And these are some of the offers that I have promoted in the past, okay? For example, like Affiliate Legion right here. If I clicked on get link, this would be my specific affiliate link. So if you had this affiliate link and you were to promote it and someone bought from your link right here, you would actually make a commission, copy, all right? And you would be paid directly by Warrior Plus or whatever affiliate network you decide to promote in. So that's kind of the basics of how this works, okay? And I'm going to continue and I'm going to show you how this really works, right? So now that I have this link, right, when somebody buys from here, I'm just going to log into my account right here and I'm going to go into my wallet, all right? And you'll see that with Warrior Plus, let me see, I'm going to go to summary. You can see that I've generated about $6,000 from Warrior Plus. Now, I don't promote Warrior Plus products that much. I promote a lot of different affiliate offers, which I'll show you some proof in a second that this can really work for you. You can really quit your full-time job if you understand how to do this correctly. And make sure you watch till the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, right? Now, I can see here that in Warrior Plus, I've got some money left over, right? So I'm going to withdraw this. And you'll see me live withdrawing this money right now, right? I'm going to click withdraw. I don't have that much in here. I've got $86.51. So I'm going to put here $86.51. And they're going to withdraw it into my PayPal account. I'm going to click on withdraw funds. It says, are you sure? I'm going to confirm. and you can see success right there. $86.51 will be sent to your PayPal account in 1 to 3 business days from now, which is really cool. Okay, so I just, I showed you live right here that I withdrawed a little bit of money from an affiliate network like Warrior Plus because I promoted some of their products in the past, right? Right here, you can see here, I haven't done it, so recently because I promote other things, which I'll show you in a second, right? But you can see that this is real and that you can really make money from affiliate marketing, all right? Now, once you've decided on your product, so let's just say, whatever product you decided to promote, you've got an affiliate link, right? What we don't want to do is we don't want to just promote that affiliate link all over the internet. That's what a lot of people teach. That's why people fail in affiliate marketing, okay? So stick with me and I'll show you how to promote affiliate links and affiliate products in a really, really good way, all right? So what I would do next is I would go and build out a very simple selling system, okay? Now, the website I like to use is called ClickFunnels, okay? So I'm gonna log out of here and just show you the ClickFunnels website so that you can see exactly how this works, right? So this is ClickFunnels right here. There are a lot of funnel building websites out there. This is just one of them, okay? It can build pages, it can build websites, it can build entire sales funnels if you want, right? You can check it out right here. They've got different pricing, okay? But this is basically a very, very big platform and a lot of very big people use it. Damon John, Ty Lopez, Eileen Wilder. These are some very, very big names, right? And you can start for free for 2 weeks, okay? And ClickFunnels builds a lot of my pages, right? And what I would do is I would use ClickFunnels to build out a simple opt-in form like this, okay? So what we're trying to do with affiliate marketing is you want to be able to capture people's emails, right? So something like this, if someone was to land on this page, you can see it's a very simple single page like that. If they clicked on here, they would enter whatever email address, right? And I would capture an email. Now what I would do then is I would integrate my capture page with an email autoresponder. Now the email autoresponder that I like to use is GetResponse. Okay, let me just show you right here. Okay, so GetResponse is an email managing software, and when someone enters their email address in here, it will link with GetResponse, and GetResponse will basically collect that email address, and then you can start emailing people automatically, and you can set it up however much you want. You can email them once a day, you can email them once every few days, you can even broadcast emails to them. And what you would do in those broadcasts is you would offer free tips, free training, free education. And what I like to do is I like to lead them back to some sort of value page like this. And I used ClickFunnels to build out this page, right? Now, I'm in the affiliate marketing space. I teach people how to sell products, digital products online, right? And so in this training right here, I actually show people how to create 6 figures with affiliate marketing, right? Now, in this video, if you were to watch this, this is basically a free training. It's a 10-15 minute training that introduces affiliate marketing. It gives tips and education, and you can do the same thing in any industry. It doesn't have to be affiliate marketing. It could be whatever. It could be in YouTube, it could be in AI, it could be in mental health, right? It could be in whatever you want. It could be in internet marketing. It could be in music. Look at this, music to profits. Create royalty free music to profit. It could be in eBay. It could be in anything. It could be in mindset. It could be in weight loss. It could be in cooking. It could be in creating honey from beehives. Basically, there's affiliate products in pretty much any niche that you can think of. Okay, and then you can create a free training here. And what this does is it builds a relationship with your leads. All right, it gets people to know, like, and trust you. That's really, really important. So that's the big strategic difference between how I teach affiliate marketing and how a lot of other people teach affiliate marketing. A lot of people just tell you to just blast your affiliate link all over the place. But if you do that, you're not going to make money. Okay, you'll make very, very little money. This is how you make big money with this particular strategy. Now, what I do then is I leave my affiliate link right here. Okay, so this can be any affiliate link. It could be an affiliate link that we got from Warrior Plus, for example, right? So let's just say it was one of these affiliate links, right? I would put it here below my little valuable training video that I'm offering people for free, and I'm emailing people these kind of pages. This is part 1, but I might email them part 2, part 3, part 4, part 10, part 20, right? I continue to give them free tips and tricks and education, right? And you can learn to do that very easily. And at the bottom of every single one of those trainings is an affiliate link. Okay, so what happens here is they get more free training from you. They get to know, like, and trust you. When they're ready, they click the affiliate link. It goes to the sales page of whatever you're promoting, and then you somebody buys and you get a commission, and you can withdraw exactly like I showed you just now, how I withdrew from here from Warrior Plus. Okay, right? Now, how do you get traffic? Okay, how do you get leads? All right, so what we want to do is we want to be able to promote this capture page as much as possible, because we want to capture as many emails as possible so that we can get leads, we can follow up with people, and hopefully we can build a customer base, right? So you have to be able to learn now to promote this, all right? Now, the easiest way to do it is on social media. So things like YouTube videos, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, for example. You can even use paid advertising, right? So you can use things like banner advertising, you can use Google Display Network, Google pay-per-click marketing, Bing search, influencer networks, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads. There are a lot of different ways to do it, right? Now, let me show you one of the strategies that I use. I like to use, free TikTok stuff, and this is my channel right here. It's not a huge channel, and I didn't start this very long ago, about 3 months ago, but I've already got 42,000 followers. But the thing about affiliate marketing is we don't make money from the followers, all right? We make money from generating leads. We want to see how many views we can get on the videos, okay? And how many people can we get to opt into our pages right here? Because the more people that give us their email address, the more leads we get, the more money we can make, all right? So with TikTok, if you check out my TikTok channel, some of these videos, look at this, right? 1 million views. This is my best performing TikTok video. It generated over 1 million views. This one is 97,000 views, right? I'm just going to keep going down and showing you a little bit, right? Look at this one, 18,000 views. I uploaded this yesterday, right? Yesterday morning. 18,000 views, crazy stuff, right? And some of them a little bit less, 2,000 views, 1,000 views, right? 14,000 views, 3,000 views, for example, right? 6,000 views, 12,000 views, you get the idea, right? Now, in every single one of these videos, what I'm doing is I am basically doing the same thing. I'm educating, I'm teaching, I'm offering advice, and then I'm telling them to come back to my bio to click on the link. Now, when they click on this link, it's going to lead to one of my capture pages, all right? So when someone clicks here, it's going to go back to something that looks like this, right? It offers them a little bit more advice, and if they want to get more free information on that topic, they can opt in and become a lead. And when they become a lead, they get opted into my Get Response account right here. I collect the email, and then I use Get Response to follow up with them. Okay, and all you do is you just repeat this process. And the more leads you can generate on the different platforms like TikTok, like YouTube, like Instagram, okay, like banner advertising, like Google pay-per-click marketing, like display ads, right? The more leads you can generate, generally speaking, the more sales that you're gonna make. That's how it works. Okay, now let me show you some of these sales. Okay, so this is one of the products that I promote. Okay, you can see this month so far I've generated $4,000 in sales. Last month I generated $18,437 in sales, right? So this is not the only product that I promote. I promote other products. So this is basically a digital platform that also sells digital software, right? But this is also another software that I promote. Okay, this is a click tracking software, and you can see here that I'm getting PayPal payments, every other day, every few days, $64, $50, $64, $51, right? And in total, with this particular piece of software, it's a tracking tool that all internet marketers need, right? I've generated almost $60,000 with this particular software. It's pretty cool, right? And I do it exactly the same way that I just showed you right here, okay? This same process, all right? So basically, I find a product on one of the networks, I grab a link, right? I create a opt-in page like this. I create some free training pages like this, free value pages as I call them, and then I drive lots of leads to them using different social media and different ad networks, and then I generate commissions like this, okay? And using this strategy is how you can quit your full-time job. I use this exact strategy to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I generate multiple 5 figures every single month. I've got hundreds of students now where I teach them to do exactly the same thing. So if you liked this video, if you got some value, please like it. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I show you how to do this every single time I release a video on this channel, right? And if you would like to get a more detailed training step by step on how to start an affiliate marketing business like this, right, and generate potentially, $18,000 or more, $20,000, $30,000. I've got students doing more than $50,000 a month. If you would like to learn that, click on the link right below this video in the description box. Opt in, give me your email address, right, and I will send you some free training, and I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this if you really want. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care.